Table features. Here in this video, we are going to see the table features of Excel. Notice the total has the background color. So if I want to highlight the area which has data in it, I can go on dragging the cell from April, May and June and click on color over here. So with the help of this feature, you can do highlighting and bring attention of the users to their data entry in it easily instead of just highlighting formulas only. Now another characteristic is that about using when you're creating the spreadsheet is to use the built-in features within Excel itself. For example, let us see the data worksheet available here. It has a large amount of data in it and is color-coded. This is one of the table features. So be anywhere on the data itself and under Home section, go for Styles. After pulling down there, you can see the Format table. Now again, pull down where you can see the list of various kinds of tables that are available. So I can go for any of these options and have a look at different color styles on the screen. So once I select and go back to see how exactly it appears, this characteristic is called a table. When the actual table is seen on the actual spreadsheet itself, you will see on the top of the screen there is a section called Table Tools. Under this Table Tools, notice there is Design, which includes Header Row. It controls a header row where I can actually turn off the header. Another thing is if I turn off the banded row, every other line is back to white. If I turn it on, color appears again. Another such feature is banded column, where I can highlight the columns. There are other options also, such as total row, first column and the last column. If you go for the total row turn on, it automatically goes to the total row in the last of the data, which allows us to choose the options like average, a count or a sum. Once I put whatever I want for total, I can see my total immediately here. So it is an important tool while working with table features.